Hey whales, good morning. Happy Monday. Let's go over the markets and recap Tesla here. All right, so with that said, coming into this week as well for Tesla, there is going to be some choppiness at these highs. However, we're still calling the bullish path from the lows here. We're looking to see whether or not we can put in 5 waves from the lows and ultimately finish off with a wave 1, coming down for a wave 2, and then starting a new uptrend towards the highs. Just to give you guys some theory as well, so you're all aligned, after a large downtrend like this, from the lows, you always want to see 5 waves in, right? So 1, 2 coming down, 3 going up, 4 down, 5 up. After the 5th wave, you get a corrective sequence, a 3-wave move, A, B, C. And if this C can hold above these lows, we have the start of a new bullish uptrend, guys, right? With higher highs and higher lows. So ultimately, again, the labeling would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a simple A, B, C coming down. Okay, label that one more time. A, B, C coming down. And where are we with Tesla right now? Well, we're around here, guys. Okay, we're still looking for further upside towards the highs here, but it is, again, getting a little bit tight, getting a little bit, risky. So after this, we'll look for a 3-wave move down before a larger pump towards $500, okay, per share. So again, still trying to work away through this sort of sequence, get to 5 waves high, and then ultimately 3-wave move down, and we can finally pump up. Let's go down to the 30-minute time frame. So you guys can see from the 30-minute time frame here, again, in red, we have a wave 1, coming down for a wave 2, still working on this 3rd wave towards the highs. Okay. Now, the main sort of concern that I have is, of course, if you take the fib extensions to project out sort of the ratios for targets, you can see right now Tesla is in between 285 to 323, guys. Okay, this level between the 1 and the 1.618, this is a take profit level, guys. This is a take profit level. Okay. Most people that long the bottom here, or the banks and the institutions, we typically long here and then take profits at the 1-to-1 to the 1.618. Okay, so if you're going to be buying Tesla right now, it needs to be just day trades, in my opinion. If you're waiting for swing trades, and if you have a larger position trying to sort of buy Tesla, in my opinion, you should wait until Tesla finishes up the sequence, wait for that larger 3rd wave dip, and then get in on that dip in terms of more of a longer term swing, right? Because if you're going to long big time right now, the risk to reward isn't good for the bulls. Okay, it isn't favorable. So you want to wait for a little bit lower, which will happen, right? Tesla can still pump up, but you want to wait a little bit, before getting in too deep. Again, if you want to day trade this, you would go on the 1-minute time frame and time buys in 3, 7, or 11 swings towards the downside here. And you would use sort of this pivot here, in my opinion, to time your buys, right? So essentially, this is sort of the lows, the 25th of April, that you're going to be using to buy against, okay? So just day trades, guys, in my opinion. For swing trades, you should wait a little bit. So that's basically it, guys. In terms of what I'm seeing, again, my bias is more towards the upside. However, just be careful not to go too crazy. It's only a day trader's sort of territory at this point. If you have a bigger position that you're waiting to get into, I'd wait a little bit, right? Or just add on red days. But ultimately, you just want to sort of be patient for those bigger positions. So I'll keep you guys updated every single day. See ya.